everyone, in the last video we have seen types of organic reaction mechanism: addition reaction, elimination reaction, substitution reaction and rearrangement reaction. So we are going to define the substitution reaction in detail. It is a chemical reaction during which one functional group replaced by another functional group. Now, we saturated hydrocarbons are fairly unreactive because they have the noble gas configuration attained and also they are involved to most of reagent. However, in the presence of sunlight, they can react with chlorine with the very fast reaction. So, methane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. You can see that it has replaced one hydrogen atom to form chloromethane and HCl removed. The similar kinds of reaction can be occurs with bromine, iodine, fluorine, etc. Organic substitution reactions are classified in several categories: nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic reactions and free radical substitution reaction. Firstly, we will define the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In the short term of nucleophilic substitution reaction is SN reactions. SN reactions are two types, SN1 and SN2. Firstly, this is the mechanism. We have complete in two steps, SN1 and SN2. First of all, SN1 reaction. SN1 mechanism or SN1 reaction has two steps. In the first step, the leaving group depart forming a carbocation. In the second step, the nucleophile reagent attach to the carbocation and form a covalent sigma bond. The attacking reagent is nucleophile in SN reactions. SN reactions have three steps. First step, formation of carbocation. Carbocation formed in first step. Second step, nucleophile attack. Carbocation react with a nucleophile and form a neutral molecule. This is the third step is required to complete the reaction when the solvent is water and the intermediate is an oxygen ion. This reaction is fast. Third step is protonation or deprotonation. Removal of proton on the protonated nucleophile and react with water forming a alcohol and a hydronium ion. This reaction is very fast. Second mechanism is SN2 mechanism or SN2 reaction. In this reaction, one bond is broken and one bond is formed in a one step. SN2 is a kind of nucleophilic substitution reaction mechanism. Since two reacting species are involved in slow, this leads to the term substitution nucleophilic bimolecular or SN2. The other major kind is SN1. Many other more specialized mechanisms. This is the example of SN2 reaction. Chloromethane react with bromine. Bromine is a nucleophile and form a bromoethane. Now we will discuss about the difference between SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. SN1 reaction is complete in two steps, but SN2 reaction is complete in one step. In SN2 reaction, one can draw a intermediate structure of whereas the carbon has a partial bond with the incoming nucleophile and the leaving group, whereas this is not possible in SN1 pathway reactions. Next is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitutions are involved in a electrophile and partially in electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction is an organic reaction which an atom that is attached in aromatic system is replaced by an electrophile. And we can say that aromatic substitution are aromatic nitration, aromatic halogenation, aromatic sulfonation, and alkylation and acylation Friedel-Crafts reactions takes place. First is aromatic halogenation. An electrophile aromatic halogenation is a type of electrophilic aromatic substitution. This organic reaction is typically aromatic compounds and a very useful method. This is the aromatic halogenation. Second is the Friedel-Crafts reactions. In this reaction, aluminium trichloride is used, but almost any strong Lewis acid can be applied. For the acylation or alkylation reactions is stoichiometry amount of aluminium trichloride is required. This is the Friedel-Crafts acylation and second is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Third is nitration. Benzene is treated with concentrated nitric acid or HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 below the temperature 55 degrees Celsius. This is the nitration of benzene, and benzene formed nitrobenzene in the presence of HNO3 or H2SO4. Aromatic sulfonation, phenol react with H2SO4 and form a 4-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. This is the para product of phenol. Second is the free radical substitution reaction. This is the third type of substitution reaction. This chemical reaction is typically of alkanes and alkyls substituted aromatic under application of UV lights in the presence of sunlight or UV lights. This reaction is used for the industrial synthesis. Next is the free radical reaction incomplete in following steps. First is initiation. Homolysis of a chlorine molecule to form two chlorine atoms, Cl free radical plus Cl free radical. Second is the chain propagation step. In this step, a hydrogen atom is pulled off from methane, leaving a primary methyl radical, and the methyl radical then pulls a chlorine from Cl2. Third is the chain termination step. Recombination of two free radicals. Two free radicals are formed a molecule. Like Cl free radical plus Cl free radical is Cl2. Ethyl free radical plus Cl methyl chloride, and CH3 radical plus CH3 radical is ethane is formed. So the last possibility in the termination step will result in an impurity in the final mixture